Hey everyone, it's Lisa and welcome back to my channel. Today we have another fantastic unboxing with magic at your door. Now before we get started, please be sure to hit the like and subscribe if you haven't subscribed to me yet. And make sure you hit that little bell in the corner to be sure that you don't miss a single one of my videos. On the inside, you have the parks price color chart that you'll see in the Disney parks. The last few months, the production for the fantasy pins that come in your box have been a little behind. So I should get July's pin this month. And it looks like the August fantasy pin is also delayed, but you guys, you gotta see this because it's hilarious. And I'm kind of excited for it because it is Stitch, like we saw on the front of the box. And he is like King Kong in Cinderella's castle up in here, and it is hilarious. It's so funny. I can't wait for that one. Like I said, that happened last month, which that's okay. I am excited to see July's pin in this box, so let's dig in. You may remember in my last Magic at Your Door box, I had a lot of funfetti, like an amazing amount of funfetti. This box, not so much, but it is pretty because it's like purple and blue, and there's some silver in there as well. So unfortunately, we will not get to throw a party like we did with the funfetti from the last box. I see a little baby Jim Shore, and I don't want to look at it, but it looks like it's gonna be real cute because it's so tiny. We'll put that aside. What is this? Ah, it's so cute! It's Pua! It is the cutest little Pua little mug I've ever seen in my life. Oh my goodness, I just turned Southern. This is the cutest little thing I've ever seen. Oh my goodness, is this not the most adorable thing you have ever seen in your life? Look, his tail is the handle. A little pig. My grandmother, who is currently in a nursing home with dementia, really loved pigs, and she had an entire room full of just random pig items. I don't know what it was about pigs. It was the funniest thing because I'm like, of all the things, her house was just covered in pig decor, her bathroom. But yeah, she had an entire room dedicated to her like shelves and shelves of just things with pigs, and I feel like she would love this mug. And I wish I could show her, but it is so cute, and I love Moana, and I love Pua and Hey Hey, and this is just like the greatest, cutest little mug I have ever owned in my life.
He is just so adorable. Oh my god, just look at his little nose, little ears. I love him.
My gold bag was inside. If you have a gold pouch, that means you're a gold box subscriber, and that's what I am. This is July's fantasy pin, and it is so cute. It is the Mickey Mouse ice cream bars with a little cherry on top, but that's really cute. It's got some sparkles on it. Very cute. I was very excited about this one, but I cannot wait until the King Kong Stitch comes out for next month. Or technically this month, but next month. You know what I mean. Next. Okay, so this item is probably gonna look kind of big for me, but that's because I put it on my wish list, and I put it on my wish list for my boyfriend. So it is in his size, and I'm really excited because it is a Star Wars Galaxy's Edge shirt, and on the sleeve it says Landing 2019. It's actually a really soft shirt. It feels like it's gonna be cozy. I might have to steal this sometimes. Cool, all right. I love to trade pins at the parks. I have these on my wish list. I think the different kinds of series that they have are really cool. I'm sorry, if you hear some random noise, my cat, whoa, Salem, your eyes are glowing. Salem. I swear my cat just had laser eyes. Anyway, I thought that these were really cool. The skulls are just so, they're kind of like a hand sketch design in a way. And I just love the Minnie Mouse one because it's just like, I'm a skull, but I'm also kind of cute. Oh, this was also on my wish list, and it's so cool. Y'all, okay, you know I love my bags. I was never a bag person until I discovered Loungefly, and now I'm just like all about the bags. They're awesome. How amazing is this? It's Alice in Wonderland and it's a clock. So I had this on my wish list because I thought it would be an awesome Disney bound bag. Do these turn? They turn. Hey y'all, what time is it? Anyway, so you got Alice, you got the Queen of Hearts, Tweedledee, Tweedledum, you have the flowers kind of mixed in there. And I do have the new Alice in Wonderland bag that just came out with all the flowers all over it and the wallet that goes with that. I love it. The garden club loves it when I bring it to our meetings. But this is super cool. So all of this is like a gold kind of metallic that is super shiny, and the hands of the clock are the same. And it's not super thick. I was kind of afraid that it might be super thick when I saw it online, but I think this is gonna be just fine and lay right on my hip perfectly. It is a crossbody bag. So on the inside, there is a zip up pouch and you have this long strap to make it into a crossbody bag. But obviously, I mean, if you want to somehow use it this way, you can, but like, I don't know why you would do that. Wow, like how cool is this bag? I love it. Like, this is probably gonna be one of my new favorite bags. I just noticed this, but there's another pouch. You probably can't see it because it's too dark, but there's another pouch on the inside that's just kind of, it has like an elastic on the top. Love it. Okay, and now for the gym short. Now it looks like a little bitty baby and I can't wait because it's probably gonna be like the cutest thing ever. Oh, it's so cute. It's so cute. It is a little Figaro from Pinocchio. Look at him. He's so cute. Look how he fits in my hand. And hold on, because it gets better. The back of it. Look at that design. He's so happy and tiny. Between this and this is like the cutest box ever. And honestly, if the Stitch pin had come, that also would have been in the running. He's so cute and little. Wow, what a great box. Between the bag and the gym short and the adorable bug. Of course, the shirt is cool, but it's from my boyfriend, so, you know, there's that. That was a great box. Let me know what you liked. Did you find any items that you really liked in this box and may want to consider getting? Or do you have a Pua mug? Because he's just the cutest little thing. Like, oh, I wish I could show my grandma. Like, he is so cute, and I really think that she would love him. It makes me think of her, and that's really special. So thanks for watching. Let me know in the comments what your favorite item was, and if you've subscribed to Magic at Your Door, and any cool items that you may have gotten that were your favorite from your box. If you're ready to book your next vacation or staycation, my information is down below. My services are free. I can plan any aspect of your trip from start to finish with insider knowledge, and I know how to find the best deals for your trip. And always remember to be kind, have courage, and always believe in the magic. Bye!